Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to transfer money using Revolut. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to send and receive money internationally at a low cost. To get started, you need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device and create an account. Once you have created your account and verified your identity, you can add money to your Revolut account using a debit or credit card or by transferring money from your bank account. To transfer money using Revolut, follow these steps. First, open the Revolut app and log into your account. Then tap on the Send button at the bottom of the screen. Next, enter the amount you want to send and the currency you want to send it in. You can send money in over 29 currencies including US dollars, euros and pounds. Then enter the recipient's details including their name and bank account details or their Revolut account details. If you are sending money to someone who does not have a Revolut account, you can send them a payment link and they can receive the money without having to create a Revolut account. Once you have entered all the required details, review the transfer details to make sure everything is correct. Check the exchange rate and the transfer fee to make sure you are getting the best deal. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates and low transfer fees compared to traditional banks. Finally, tap the Send button to confirm the transfer. The money will be sent to the recipient's account immediately and you will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is complete. You can also track the status of your transfer in the Revolut app. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Revolut to transfer money include making sure you have sufficient funds in your account before making a transfer and double-checking the recipient's details to avoid any errors. It is also a good idea to use the latest version of the Revolut app to ensure you have the latest security features and updates. In conclusion, transferring money using Revolut is a quick and easy process that can be done in just a few steps. By following these steps and best practices, you can send money internationally at a low cost and with confidence.